Hey, I have an idea. My idea, I wanna, I wanna go online, then look for like 5 different companies. Then I wanna do a background research on those companies, how they are doing, like their financials. I'm gonna look at the financial, their balance sheet, their market capitalization. Um, then do like a research on those companies. I want to do 5, and those companies have to have their like their stock prices, or their share price should be less than $5. No, $5 is too much. Let's say they should be less than $1. They're like penny stocks. So what I want to do is I'm gonna do a research on those companies, 5 of them. Then if I do a research, I'm gonna go in. Then I'll find like I'm gonna find a trading app or like a broker I'm gonna use. Then I'll buy those. Stocks. Then I wanna let them sit in there for after a year. Then we're gonna see how much they fluctuate like in prices. I'm gonna do my good research. Then I wanna risk on those 5 companies. I will try to share because I wanna like buy. I wanna try to buy probably 1,000 shares. So I'm gonna try to do with one company. I'm gonna do at least thousand. Then we see how it goes. Then we see, because most of the people that made that money, like a lot of money, they usually, when they bought their shares, they didn't buy them for a lot of money on the stock exchange. If a company is listed on the stock exchange, usually it becomes so expensive. Most of these shares are expensive. Don't be fooled, like they're so expensive. Most millionaire, billionaires, they bought their shares like dollar, like cents, and some of them are even given. So we need to do that experiment and see how it goes. We want to buy at least, let's say 1,000, we'll do 1,000. We're not gonna be greedy. So if I go home today, that's what I'm gonna go and do. I'm gonna use Yahoo Finance screeners to look at companies. Then I'm gonna do that. Then I'll give you an update after sometimes how my share is doing and how is my portfolio doing. I don't have a lot of knowledge in finance, but I studied accounting, so I understand some stuff. So wish me luck. Let's see how it goes. Bye.